welcome to the Ritz. It's actually called the Ritz Tower on 57th and Park Avenue. As you enter the foyer, you have a small little kitchenette on the right. And you know why? Because you don't need a kitchen. They have a chef on the 5th floor. Let's take a look inside this sprawling, really interesting apartment. Right now it's set up as a 3-bedroom, could be a 2-bedroom, which I think is a little bit more practical. Large living area here. Let's take a look at the master suite as it is currently. Bed wall, seating area, how they have it set up currently. You have a window facing east, so you get good sunlight coming in. And currently they have it set up as another seating area, or I think that's a futon type bed with big closets. You could have it as a walk-in closet. You could have it as a nursery suite with its own bathroom. Really nice design. Really amazing building. Let's talk about that a little bit. The building was built in, I think it was 1926. It was the first high-rise residential building, or the tallest residential building in New York back in its day. 5-star, white glove, really, really interesting setup. And take a look, I think one reason why is the location, right? So you're on 57th and 7th, 57th and Park, 2 blocks from Central Park. I mean, some of the best restaurants in the world are steps away. And now for the secondary bedroom, guest room. Again, lots of closets, high ceilings in the entire apartment, about 10 foot. Full service, white glove, 5-star, really set up like a hotel. So it's really for clients that are looking for that kind of luxury living, 2 blocks from Central Park.